Hello everyone. Today we'll be working on AnimeGAN. AnimeGAN, it transfers any normal image to animation images, and the technology that is used behind this is the GAN and the PyTorch. GAN is divided into two parts, the generator and the discriminator. With the help of generator, it produces fake images, and the discriminator, it tries to identify the difference between the real and the fake images. The real images are the inputs that we give to the discriminator, and the fake images input is given by the generator to it. And what does PyTorch? PyTorch is basically used for generated AI faces, and it produces two level high features. One is the tensor computing with the help of tensor computing, and other one is the deep neural networks. So let's get started. First of all, we have to clone the repository. After cloning the repository, it will be saved in the folder under the name PyTorch AnimeGAN. Then we have to run this import transformer Hayo. Actually, this is a filter that they named after a Japanese director. His name is Hayo, and it is a filter, and it can be downloaded from here. And two other filters are also available. You can use it according to your preferences. After that, we have to import libraries. We have to import CV, OpenCV. We have to import random, matplotlib for plotting, operating system, numpy, and utils for read image and resizing of the image. And then we have to the source URL. We have to give the source URL of our image. And note that the source URL should be in two formats, either JPG or PNG. It takes only two formats. And it is a Korean actress. I've given this input. It's my custom image, and here's the output. It is an animated image of this Korean actress. And from here you can work on video as well. I've given it own video of Korean drama, and it is still uploading, and it will take time. Thank you.